Do you sometimes feel your digital competence as a teacher needs some development? Would you like to have a clear idea of where to start and what to do? Did you know about the European Framework for Digital Competences for Educators? If your answer to these questions is yes, this video is for you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learning Together with Robert. If this is your first time visiting me, thank you for being here. And if you're back, thank you very much for your support, because without you, this wouldn't make any sense. If you haven't subscribed, why not do it now and give us a like? Those of you who have been here already, you can fast forward to the main part of the video. I just want to say hello to my new visitors. I'm Robert Martinez, and I've been an English language teacher since 1994 and a teacher educator and language assessment specialist for almost 20 years now. It's been an incredible journey, having lived and worked in 9 different countries. I'm a self-taught tutor and assessor, online moderator, a full-time director of studies, and a tutor on the IHCYLT course, teaching English to young learners and teenagers, and I enjoy being in the classroom both face-to-face and online. If you want to know more about my professional background, experience, and qualifications, I've put a link to my LinkedIn profile and a link to a video cartoon version of my CV to jazz things up in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. Let's get started. Today, I want to talk about the European Framework for Digital Competences for Educators, area number 3, teaching and learning. This area covers the following competences: teaching, guidance, collaborative learning, and self-regulated learning. I think it's a really useful tool to help you get started with a clear assessment of where you stand now and where you want to go next. Let's look at the second competence, guidance. When talking about guidance, we refer to the use of digital technologies and services to enhance the interaction with learners individually and collectively, within and outside the learning session. We use digital technologies to offer timely and targeted guidance and assistance, and to experiment with and develop new forms and formats for offering guidance and support. At an A1 Newcomer level, we're making little use of digital technologies for interacting with learners. We sporadically use email, while at A2 Explorer level, we're employing basic digital strategies to interact with learners via email, through chat apps to provide them with feedback on homework. Moving upwards to B1 Integrator level, we're now using digital technologies to enhance interaction with learners through an established communication channel, for example, Slack, WhatsApp, or Google Classroom, or the like, to provide constant support. At B2 Expert level, digital technologies enhance monitoring and guidance, for instance, through collaborative apps and tools like Google Docs, Padlet, etc. We monitor and guide their use of it. When done consistently, we then move on to C1 Leader level by employing digital technologies strategically and purposefully to provide guidance and support. This can be done through FAQs, video tutorials, and any other app or tool which can lead to this. It is then when we start using digital technologies to innovate guidance provision that we can say we are at C2 Pioneer level. Here we start creating our own forms and formats to provide support, for instance, through activities that promote digital literacy and responsible online behavior. On reflection, what level of guidance on the scale do you think you're at? Well, we've come to the end, but I'll be sharing more exciting videos, so stay tuned and subscribe. Do let me know in the comments box if you have any special requests, and I'll try to make a video about them. That'll be exciting, don't you think? I'll make sure I'll give you a shout in the video. Do share this video with your friends, and can I ask you a favor? Hit the like button so that more people can see this video. Bye for now, and remember, learning is fun, and you don't have to do it alone. So let's learn together with Robert.